Welcome. In this video I am going to show you the working of ZigBee based gesture control robot. Over here you can be able to see this glove also in order to show the gestures. So based on the gestures I am showing over here, this robot will work. So here in the glove we are having one microcontroller, that is Arduino we have used, and battery ZigBee is this one, and this one actually one driver board, and this one actually flux sensor that we are using. And here in the robot we can see battery, ZigBee and also Arduino. And this one is actually all-terrain wheels that we have used, so we can call this as all-terrain robot. So now I will show you the working. So while I have bended the first finger, now we can see it's moving forward. If I make all the fingers straight, then we can see stop now. And I bended two fingers, that is first two fingers, now we can see it's moving backward. When I make it straight, now it's stopped. Now I have bended the third finger, now you can see it's moving left. When I make it straight, I stop. When I bend all the three fingers together, then you can see now it's moving right. Make it straight and stop. This is how this robot is working. Thank you.